how to lock your profile on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to settings or gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, okay, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Okay, here you can control to see what you share on Facebook. And you can see the profile locking. Okay, you'll have to do to lock the profile. Okay, you can tap the profile locking. And now you can see here the lock your profile button. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this to lock your profile. And after that, okay, you can see the you lock your profile. Only your friend can see the photos, posts, and stories on your profile. So okay, you'll have to do is tap the OK button to successfully lock the profile on your Facebook. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully locked profile on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.